Hi, I'm Puppet. You're different and beautiful.
Nice to meet you.
Oh. You're so graceful. Oh, I'll call you Gracie.
I love it. And I love this garden.
You're magic. Wait till my friends meet you.
I wonder why I'm so much taller than you and less furry. Oh, that makes sense. I'll tell her.
Huh? Tell who what?
You. The flower said I'm a pixie.
The flower said?
I can hear them. Oh, and there's more pixies like me. They know stuff.
Thanks, flowers! I'll show you all of Hatchtopia. You can meet my friends and show them that magic-y thing you do with your wings and the flowers. But we have to find them first. Do pixies play hatch and seek?
I guess we'll find out.
Can you believe how magical this mountain is? Oh, hello! Hey, where's Snailtail? Oh, there he is! Bestie! Oh, what's he looking at?
Finally, the golden lynx.
Snailtail!
You found it!
Yay!
I can't win. Yes, I did. We finally get to see all that golden lynx magic. Well, once you happy hatchers do your job.
It won't hatch. Maybe it needs all of us? Snailtail, we need your sticky self to help us.
You do?
Yeah, Snailtail, come on!
You did it before. Snailtail, you did it! Wow! He is magic, just like I imagined.
The sun's gone.
Wait, what? Who turned out the lights?
But isn't it morning time? I haven't had breakfast yet.
My friends, you found me. Never fear. A magical eclipse is here. The light is gone. The land is dark. But always trust your inner spark. Let's take a trip past Giggle Grove. We'll fly up high and see Cloud Cove.
I love that he rhymes. I know. Why is it so dark? Where'd the sun go?
Good morning, all. I know it's dark. The sky is black and calm. But hark! Across the sea is someplace new. An island waiting just for you. You couldn't see it. Not till now. The eclipse has made it shine. And how?
Wow. Is that it?
That is Illuma Island. When the egg moon hides the sun's great light, Hatchtopia goes dark, but Illuma stays bright. Venture out across the sea, to tropical shores, to parties and glee.
Parties means dancing! Woo!
A whole new world. A magical new best friend. Whoa!
Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Now? How about now? Now? Puppet, I love you, but you gotta stop asking that. Crystal Canyon is just a song away.
Woo! Who's feeling fabulous in Fabula Forest? The secret egg is magic! The secret egg is magic!
It is magical. So let's get to Crystal Canyon before a certain sticky someone finds that golden lynx.
As soon as I find that golden lynx, he'll be my magical friend, and I'll be the most popular guy in Hatchtopia. Too high, much too high!
Cool that we got ourselves a new partner in Snailtail, huh?
Right? Isn't he the cutest? Why do you think he's so into helping? Doesn't he give anybody else weird vibes?
Nope.
Nah.
Personally, I think we should be open to a new friend's help, don't you?
Of course, but he's... I just really want to find the golden lynx so everyone in Hatchtopia can experience something magical.
I know, but you worry too much.
Whoa! That egg's on a roll! Look at him go!
Guys, it could be the golden lynx!
Time to hatch a new friend!
Yeah. Get ready.
Whoa! We did it!
Let's do this!
Oh, you are adorable! Aw, thank you. I'm Hamster, and I'm super excited to be here. Wow, you guys' wings are so glittery. Hey, my wings are glittery too! Wow, look at this place. It's so amazing. I can hardly stand it. You all seem awesome, by the way. I mean, I know I just met you, but I feel this whole BFF, or should I say HFF, happily ever after kind of vibe, and I love it! Wow, do you guys smell something sweet? Ooh, what's that? It's a magical scroll we found.
And it leads to new friends, like you.
Oh, wait till you meet Snailtail. He's hilarious. Actually, we're not sure if he's hilarious. He's helping us, and I miss him already.
We're headed to Crystal Canyon. Come on!
I'm gonna be the first one to Crystal Canyon. Oh, yeah!
Listen to the music, guys. One of these trees has our next clue.
And the egg with the golden lynx. Gotcha, egg! Nope, don't gotcha. Boo! Found ya! No egg. False alarm.
Be really, really still and quiet, and the egg will find you. You'll be like, then bam! There it'll be, right beside you, waiting to hatch.
Well, just in case the egg doesn't find me, how about we keep moving?
I bet you've got some awesome egg hunting ideas in that sticky head of yours, Snailtail. Boing, boing, boing.
Please stop.
Yeah, sure. It's so fun. But... Okay, I'll stop.
With my HFF, we're the perfect match.
Gonna find that egg and help it hatch.
Who has two antennae and hates when people burst into song? This guy.
Ooh, that tree is off key.
Ugh. Don't want to catch the sniffles.
I'm going in to help this tree.
Oh my gosh! It's so dark in here!
Can you see what's wrong?
I can't see anything. I'll tickle the tree. Maybe that'll help.
Boing. I can do this. I can do this.
Can I play?
What?
Hey! I think I found what's causing the tree all the trouble. Ooh, an egg. Don't panic, Tree. Stay calm. It's no good freaking out.
Tree, you got this!
Now show that egg some love. I will, Penguella.
Oh, little
go, buddy. Let her rip!
Guys?
Aww, it's a baby me!
You guys?
Oh,
You guys!
Snailtail just ran off with the scroll.
Whoa! Here, Eggy! Don't be shy! Golden Lynx, where are you? Guys, I found one! I found an egg! Yay, puppet! You're not an egg.
I haven't been an egg for a long time. I'm Snailtail. What should I call you? Shouty? Screamy? Shouty it is.
What did you find?
Wait, who's this?
I'm Snailtail.
Nice to meet you.
You could let go now.
I'm trying.
Well, any friend of Puppet's is a friend of ours.
Oh, we're not.
Best friends yet!
We found a cool scroll made out of a leaf. It says there's gonna be a magical...
Let's see. Every Hatchimal you're lucky to meet makes your journey a joy. Your quest complete. Golden Lynx!
Excuse me, we need that scroll.
I don't get it. Stop being so hard to understand, Scroll.
Dude, you're kind of hogging the scroll. Let's look at it together.
Of course. Where are my manners?
I'll just take that, thanks. Okay, it is a little mysterious,
Told ya.
but together we can figure it out. The truth lies in a nest. You'll see. There's magic there, a clue or three.
Well, that's crystal clear.
Crystal clear. Oh! Crystal Canyon!
Yes, Crystal Canyon has those mood nests. Let's go.
Woohoo! It's an egg!
It's by that buttercup.
Let's hatch it! Come on, Snailtail!
I have a better idea. I'll go to Crystal Canyon while you go after that egg.
Well, I really think we should stick together. Okay, hatch you later! Time to hatch a new friend. You can help this time, Puppet.
Aw, it's a Bandu.
Who has two antennae and is going to be best friends with a magical golden lynx? This guy. You're awesome.
So it's daytime, but it's dark. And it's a party all the time.
Seriously, let's move here. Golden Lynx, you're back. And you brought new friends. Yay!
You're all glowy.
We all shine when we do the thing we love. I love meeting new people.
Anyone can shine?
Yep. Oh, I'm Alicorn, by the way.
I'm Penguala, and this is Puppet, Draggle, Cheatree, and Snailtail.
We're so happy to have you be part of our Illumination celebration.
Illuma what now?
To mark the end of the eclipse, we have a big talent show called the Midnight Masquerade. We dress up, dance, and shine. You're gonna love it.
Friends, my work here is done. Enjoy yourselves and have lots of fun.
But
We'll meet again in one short week when the sun has ended its hide and seek.
Bye, Golden Lynx.
my golden friend.
This is Radiant Reef. There's a snack shack with yummy drinks and snacks.
There's like music all around this place.
Boomin' Bluffs is way up there with the biggest stage you've ever seen.
We gotta go.
We will, but there's some friends I want you to meet first. This is Starlight Shores. Illuma Island shines so bright because it's lit by these stars.
Ooh.
Really? Well, I know how I'll shine.
So
Sparkly. Here we are.